Green pea carrot soup. I make a delectable green pea carrot soup and I want to share it with you. This healthy plant-based meal is easy to make and under 30 minutes to prepare. Let's look at the ingredients needed to make this delicious healthy meal. Half of onion, 2 cloves of garlic, green peas, 12 ounces, fresh or frozen, 2 Roma tomatoes, diced, 2 cups of diced carrots, 1 cup of celery, diced, 32 ounces of vegetable stock, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, a quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of thyme, 1 bay leaf. Note, this will serve 3 to 4 people. In a large soup pot, pour in the vegetable stock, then add all of the vegetables to the pot. Add all the seasonings. Now that all ingredients have been added, place the soup pot on medium heat and cover. Allow it to simmer for about 35 minutes. If you have a pressure cooker, it will likely take 20 minutes. That's it, serve and enjoy. I'll leave the recipe on screen for a moment if you need to pause the video. For more recipes, life hacks, and health suggestions for the price of an iced coffee, pick up my book, The Fountain of Youth Lifestyle, in ebook or paperback from Amazon or Apple Books. Please like, share, follow, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, take care. LHLclub.com.